You're watching Mysteries in Nature.
Hello there. Why do some animals return to where they were born to lay their eggs?
Have you ever wondered about the incredible journeys some animals undertake, traveling thousands of miles across vast oceans or rugged landscapes, all for one purpose, to return to the exact spot where they were born? It's one of nature's most profound mysteries, a powerful, instinctual pull that drives creatures like sea turtles, salmon, and even certain birds back to their roots to bring the next generation into the world. Today, we're diving deep into this amazing phenomenon, exploring the why and how behind these epic homing instincts. So, how do they do it? How does a loggerhead turtle, after 20 years of roaming the open ocean, navigate back to a specific stretch of beach? The answer lies in a sophisticated internal toolkit. One of the primary tools is an incredible sensitivity to Earth's magnetic field. Think of it as a built-in GPS. As they hatch, these animals essentially take a magnetic snapshot of their birthplace. They imprint on the unique magnetic signature of that location, the specific inclination and intensity of the Earth's magnetic field lines. This map is stored in their brains for decades. As they mature and travel, they can sense their position relative to this home signature, allowing them to navigate with astonishing precision across featureless oceans. It's like having an invisible compass guiding them home. A biological marvel we are only just beginning to fully understand. But it's not just about magnetism. For many species, especially salmon, the sense of smell plays a crucial role. Each river and stream has a unique chemical fingerprint, a distinct smell composed of the minerals, soil, and plant life of the surrounding area. When a young salmon, known as a smolt, makes its first journey downstream to the ocean, it memorizes this sequence of smells. It's like creating a scent-based roadmap in reverse. Years later, as an adult ready to spawn, it sniffs its way back. As it approaches the coast, it searches for the familiar scent of its home river system. Upon finding it, it follows the scent gradient, making the correct turns at each tributary, until it arrives at the very gravel bed where its life began. Scientists have tested this by temporarily blocking the salmon's sense of smell, and the fish become completely lost, proving just how vital this olfactory map is. Now, you might be asking, why go through all this trouble? Why not just lay eggs somewhere new and convenient? This incredible effort isn't just for nostalgia. It's a brilliant evolutionary strategy rooted in survival. The fact that an animal survived to maturity means its birthplace was a successful location. It had the right conditions, suitable temperature, low numbers of predators, and abundant food for the newly hatched young. By returning to this proven nursery, parents give their offspring the best possible start in life. It's a gamble, but it's a calculated one. A new, untested location might look good, but it could harbor hidden dangers or lack critical resources. Evolution favors what works, and returning to a spot that has a track record of success is a powerful way to ensure the continuation of your genetic line. It's nature's ultimate quality assurance program. Let's look at the majestic albatross. These masters of the sky spend years soaring over the southern oceans, barely touching land. Yet, when it's time to breed, they return to the same tiny, remote islands where they were hatched, often finding the very same mate they've had for life. For them, it's about social connection and habitat stability. These nesting sites are crowded, and prime real estate is scarce. By returning to a known spot, they save precious time and energy that would otherwise be spent searching for a new territory and a new partner. This fidelity to both place and partner strengthens their bond and increases their reproductive success over their long lives. Their journey is a testament to the idea that for some, Home isn't just a place, it's a vital part of a successful family life. This phenomenon, known as natal philopatry, is a powerful force of nature. It creates distinct genetic populations. For example, salmon from one river are genetically different from salmon in a neighboring river, because they rarely interbreed. This genetic isolation allows populations to become highly adapted to the specific challenges of their home environment, things like water temperature, flow rate, and local diseases. This incredible specialization is a double-edged sword. While it makes them perfectly suited for their home, it also makes them extremely vulnerable to changes in that specific location. A dam, pollution, or climate change-induced temperature shifts in just one river can wipe out an entire unique genetic lineage that took thousands of years to evolve. The implications for conservation are immense. Protecting these animals means protecting their entire life cycle, which includes their vast feeding grounds and these very specific, irreplaceable breeding spots. For sea turtles, it means protecting nesting beaches from development and light pollution, which can disorient hatchlings. For salmon, it means ensuring rivers are clean, cool, and free of obstacles so they can complete their final journey. When we see a salmon leaping up a waterfall or a turtle hauling itself onto a moonlit beach, we're not just witnessing an animal. We are witnessing the culmination of an ancient, instinctual promise to return home, to honor the past, and to provide for the future. It's a powerful reminder of the intricate and delicate connections that weave the tapestry of life on our planet. So the next time you hear about these incredible animal migrations, remember the invisible forces at play. The Earth's magnetic signature, the subtle scent of a river, and a deep evolutionary wisdom that says there's no place like home. It's a journey guided by memory, driven by instinct, and essential for survival. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration into the heart of nature's mysteries. If you found this fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.